We're here at Chick-Fil-A in Feathersound, Florida. This is a brand new Chick-Fil-A. The old one, they gutted the whole inside out and they scrape and rebuild, it's called. It looks like it's a whole different building though. I remember seeing the walls off of it. Every 15 years maybe they rebuild the whole store. They gut them out and they build them. I was hoping I'd be able to drive through there, but the cones are in the way. They should have a double drive-through. I believe they do. Chick-fil-A's really getting a lot of business through the drive-throughs. The one in Clearwater, every time I go through, the double drive-through is packed. It's like 10:45 in the morning, it's packed that early. Probably all the way through lunch. This store's in Feathersound, near Clearwater, Florida. It should be really nice inside. It's gonna open up on Tuesday at 10:30. I'll have to come see. They don't have the grand openings anymore. I used to go to the Chick-fil-A grand openings and camp out for free food. The furthest I went to a grand opening was Cincinnati twice. I used to go up and visit my mother in Pennsylvania, and I'd go to the Chick-fil-A grand openings on the way and on the way home. Everybody in the first 100 got 52 free meals, one a week for a year. Then they got so many people were going to them that they started doing a raffle. If there was over 100, you get in a raffle to be in the first 100. That was horrible. Driving out of state and then not get in. It happened many times. I camped out at probably 70 Chick-fil-A grand openings and I got in at maybe 50. The food's really good. I used to drive the Mercedes on used cooking oil to the grand openings, so it didn't cost much for gas. It didn't cost anything, just collecting the oil and filtering it. I'll be glad to see this open back up. They haven't put the flag up yet. They'll probably put it up on Monday. They're not going to open till Tuesday. It looks like it's ready to open up right now. We're down here in Clearwater, Florida. It's getting ready to pour rain. It's supposed to rain all weekend. It's horrible.